Hello friends, welcome to Acquireias. Today we are going to discuss questions on map pointing reference. This is important for UPSC Prelims as well as various other examinations. You can download the Hindu PDF short notes of the Hindu PDF on daily basis from our Telegram channel. You can join there. Right, so we move further. Here you can see a WhatsApp number that you can join this number for answer writing initiatives. Right, answer writing initiatives. You can follow me on my Facebook page and you can subscribe the blogs for getting an interesting articles related to personality development and UPSC articles, various UPSC articles. Right friends. Next, you can join this Telegram for getting a various kind of PDFs. So today we are going to discuss about the questions, how the questions can be found in UPSC from the area of Caribbean Sea. Right, so this session would be very interesting, so please stay tuned and please do subscribe as much as possible. You can share this video for getting a knowledgeable hub of India. Right, you should make it happen. Next we see first of all the world map. So this is the world map. So which region we are going to discuss today? This is the region where we are going to discuss today, right friends? This is the region where we are going to discuss in today's lecture, right? So let's begin. So our today's topic is Caribbean Sea, right? Caribbean Sea, it is bordered by Venezuela, Colombia, Panama to the south, right friends? For example, this is Caribbean Sea. In south it was bordered by Venezuela, Colombia and Panama, and to the west it is bordered by Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Honduras, Guatemala and Belize, right? And Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico to the north, friends, right? So this is your north side. This is Yucatan Peninsula, right? This peninsula belongs to the Mexico, right? And Greater Antilles, here you will get a Greater Antilles. We will see all this in our map pointing sessions right now. Don't worry about that, I'll show you each and every locations, right? And Greater Antilles island of Cuba, Hispaniola, Jamaica and Puerto Rico, and to the east by Lesser Antilles. Here you will see the Lesser Antilles from north to south, consisting of an island arc, right? It extends from the Virgin Island in the northeast Trinidad. So here you will see the Trinidad, right friends? Trinidad of the Venezuela coast in the south and Venezuela coast in the south. You will see these all the regions. So we will see at the map now. So this is your map. So earlier I have said that today we are going to discuss this region. From this region we are going to discuss the Caribbean Sea. So this is your Caribbean Sea, right? This is your Caribbean Sea, and in the south you have been bordered by Venezuela. Here you can see your Colombia. Here you can see your Panama, right friends? The Panama city is located here, you can see that. So next, here it is Jamaica, see your Cuba, right friends? So these are all we have noted down. See, this is your Lesser Antilles. I hope can you see Lesser Antilles. Now here you can see the Greater Antilles as well. See, this is the Greater Antilles. Please friends, I request you one thing, that make a note of this all, because again and again you should not do any kind of hard work for this. purpose, right? And you should not mark a wrong answer in your examinations as well, right? So these are the Greater Antilles, Lesser Antilles, Venezuela, Colombia, Panama, so Cuba, Jamaica, right? So everything I have shown you in map session. Now let us see some other things. Yes, friends, Caribbean Sea's age is as old as 160 to 180 million years, right, friends? Its age is around 160 to 180 million years, right? And Caribbean Sea has a deepest trench. The trench name is a Cayman Trench, right? It is between the Cuba and Jamaica. It is approximately 25,216 feet depth, right, friends? So such a depth it has. So we will see where is the Cayman Trench. So can you see this Cayman Trench here? So this is a Cayman Island. So here you will be your Cayman Trench, friends, right? So around here itself you will find the Cayman Trench. Don't be confused by this, right? Next we see there are other several gulfs in the region of the Caribbean Sea. So what are those regions which are surrounded by this Caribbean Sea? That is Gulf of Venezuela, Gulf of Gonavi, the Gulf de los Mosquito, and the Gulf of Darien, the Gulf of Paria, and the Gulf of Honduras. So these are all are important, friends. Next we see about the national boundaries, that is political boundaries around the Caribbean Sea. It includes Antigua and Barbuda, right, friends? It includes Antigua and Barbuda, Trinidad and Tobago, Bahamas, Suriname, Barbados, Saint Vincent and Grenadines, Belize, Saint Lucia, Colombia, Saint Kitts and Nevis, Costa Rica, Panama, Cuba, Nicaragua, Dominica, Mexico, Dominican Republic of Jamaica, US, Honduras, Grenada, Haiti, Guatemala and Guyana. Sorry, not Guyana. It is Guyana, right, friends? Next, we see why it was in news. It was in news for the purpose of Anguilla Island. It is a small island which is located in the Caribbean Sea. Okay, so we will see for what purpose it is. So Anguilla, it is benefiting from the two latest trends, that is one is artificial intelligence and second one is URL, that is vanity URL, that is uniform resource locator, or it is a internet address, friends. What it is? It is a internet address. Vanity URL is a unique web address that is branded for marketing purpose, right? And vanity URLs are a type of customer URL that exist to help users remember and find a specific page of one's website, right, friends? Now we will see about the Anguilla. It is an island in the Eastern Caribbean Sea and British Overseas Territory. It is a British Overseas Territory, right, friends? Next, the majority of the population are from the African descendants, and most of the populations will belong from the Christian community, right? The main economic system and the main economic activities of this region is tourism and financial services, but not the agriculture. Agriculture will be the minor importance, friends, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe for Acquireias and do as share much as possible for your friends, relatives and your known ones, right, friends? So thank you very much. Have a great day.